Welcome to the year 2010, a time capsule of remarkable events and groundbreaking moments. January 12th, a catastrophic magnitude 7.0 MW earthquake devastates Haiti, leading to a massive international response effort. February 12th, the 2010 Winter Olympics kicks off in Vancouver, Canada, showcasing the world's top winter sport athletes. February 27th, an 8.8 magnitude earthquake strikes Chile, triggering a tsunami over the Pacific and leading to over 500 deaths. April 10th, the Smolensk air disaster claims the life of the Polish president and several members of parliament. April 14th, a volcanic eruption in Iceland of Eyjafjallajökull results in a massive ash cloud, disrupting air travel across Europe. April 20th, the Deepwater Horizon oil rig explodes in the Gulf of Mexico, causing one of the worst oil spills in history. May 31st, the Gaza flotilla raid occurs, resulting in 9 activists' deaths and international controversy. June 11th, the 2010 FIFA World Cup commences in South Africa, the first to be held on the African continent. June 24th, the Apple iPhone 4 is released, featuring a new design and FaceTime video calling. July 25th, WikiLeaks releases the Afghan War Diary, one of the largest leaks in U.S. military history. August 10th, the World Health Organization declares the H1N1 influenza pandemic officially over. September 4th, a 7.1 magnitude earthquake hits Canterbury, New Zealand, causing widespread damage. October 13th, the Copiapo mining accident ends happily as all 33 trapped Chilean miners are rescued. November 17th, researchers at CERN trap 38 antihydrogen atoms, marking a breakthrough in physics. November 23rd, North Korea shells Yeonpyeong Island, escalating tensions with South Korea. November 28th, the controversial website WikiLeaks begins releasing U.S. diplomatic cables, sparking global discussions. December 11th, Liu Xiaobo is awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in absentia, prompting debate on human rights in China. December 17th, the self-immolation of Mohamed Bouazizi in Tunisia triggers the Arab Spring, a wave of revolutionary protests. This was a short exploration of year 2010. Comment to suggest new timeline. Like and follow for more.